What is the best intake valve cleaner for carbon buildup on a direct injection engine or GDI, and do you actually need one? Or can we just perform an Italian tune-up with no fuel system cleaner needed? Well, let's take our borescope camera, go inside this engine, take a look at these intake valves, and just see how much work we have cut out for us. We have tried many fuel cleaners, but I'd rather do the Italian tune-up if it actually works, rather than buying these fuel cleaners. This is how our valves look before using liqui moly. In a moment, we'll show you how the valves looked after using liqui moly and compare those results to the results of the Italian tune-up. But first, we need to allow our engine to warm up to operating temperatures. Then we're going to take it for a spin on the highway and run our RPMs up just as high as we can safely go. I'll slowly raise the RPMs up more and more each time I rev the engine. Always follow your manufacturer's recommendations. Guys, don't forget to drop a comment below letting us know, do you have any great ideas to get rid of carbon buildup? After 15 minutes on the highway, we bring our car to a stop and we rev our engine several more times. Now, let's go inside the engine, take a look at these valves. I'm excited to see these results. I'm actually surprised the Italian tune-up cleaned up what little bit of carbon we had left. Well, thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto. Get ready to get wrenching for the next upcoming video.